You know, Bill Gates can buy up all the property in America, and he still will not stop people growing small gardens that produced a lot of vegetables to meet their daily use. Today we're going to replant this oregano, the Greek oregano plant that I had for many years. And what you want to do is take out all those weeds that's been growing with it, so it's just free and encumbered with weeds or grasses. Now what I did was renew the hay pillar, and I added wood. That's right. Down there at the middle, I just put lots of wood. You could have went all the way from the bottom. Just you probably got a bunch of scrap timber, from your trees. You can just, they're rotted limbs. You could just cut up and place in there. Go up about halfway up. What you want is about 7 or 8 inches of nice fertile soil for the oregano plant to grow in. And you just start with a base of wood. Now, I don't show this in my book. This is exclusive for you that have bought in the book and are interested in pillar gardening. And what you do is you put the wood on the bottom, and as time goes on, it'll become mulch soil. Kind of like they do in nature. When a tree falls, it rots, and it becomes that rich mulch. Same thing. Well, anyway, you fill it halfway up. You can see the picture of the wood I put in. And then I put leaves. You got so many leaves. Leaves is not a good medium to grow in unless they've been aged for a while. But they will be aged. It'll be like a compost pile aging. But above that, it'll be the soil. It'll be the hay enclosure of the Greek oregano plant. And you just go all the way up. Then you fill it up, and a lot of those leaves will infiltrate into the wood, the gaps. And then you just you do it like you regular would make a hay pillar with the hay. And then you'll have that, 8 or 9 inches, 7, 8, 9. Don't really matter. They're very shallow plants, so you'll have that nice soil on top, and you'll transplant it. Well, happy gardening. I know, it's been fantastic, hasn't it? But watch out. I think Wednesday or Tuesday in some places, there's going to be frigid cold. You might want to put some heat lamps on some of your plants or buckets, that's not cracked. I think I might try some leaves in a bucket on top of some of the tomato plants. I think that might do it. Well, take care. Happy gardening.